this is Naito. Today's video, I'll be seeing which one is more fidgety between the fidget spinner and the fidget cube. In case you guys did not notice, I got the fidget cube first before I got the fidget spinner. This is my fidget spinner right now. So, I'm gonna take a look. Okay. Get your energy out. You know, get your energy out of your hand. It does stuff to your fingers. It really hurts. Mine has a smiley face on it. It has sunglasses on it. Now, 61 points is my rating to you. Now it's time for the fidget cube. Okay, so that's like a joystick. Extremely fidgety. Yeah. This thing is... This is really fun. 75 for the first round. Fidget Cube wins the first round. The only problem is with this fidget spinner, I can't move my hands the way I wanted to without reverse spinning. And it hurts. Like, this thing can give you red marks, depending on how fast you do it. But who would not vote between a fidget spinner and a fidget cube? Okay. Huh. Yeah, but this thing could hurt you. Yeah, the fidget cube. Could be a complete difference. But they have two things common in them. One, their first names are Fidget. That's the most common thing. And two, they're both fidgety. But which one's more fidgety? Fidgety. Bleh. Between the fidget cube and the fidget spinner. Come on. Yeah, but this thing is extremely fidgety. Good breeze. Yeah, this thing is really fidgety. Yeah, I don't know, between the spinner or some... They're really good. They're both equally great. Yeah, I actually like the marble and the fidget cube. That thing is really fidgety. Crap. Now, this thing is really fidgety. But yeah. I'd honestly say my votes is the fidget cube would win between the fidget spinner. This thing was close. This thing can give you a lot of pain. And I can't flop my hand the way I want it to. Like, and it just hurts. But yeah, I had to go with the fidget cube. But yeah, it's actually a really good... These are really good fidgety things. They're a good way to calm stress. I get why the fidget spinners are banned from schools. I just don't get why the fidget cubes are banned from most schools. Like the school I go to, they'll ban these fidget cubes. How the fidget spinners are banned. But yeah, I'd vote with the fidget cube. Yeah, it's a really good cube. So, I'd say, yeah, it's the fidget cube. It's really good. It's more fidgety between the fidget spinner. It's a really good fidget. It's basically is multiple in one. It's like your way of focus, like in a commercial. My favorite thing is this little light switch. And there's this like little analog stick. That thing is really fun. And this is actually really good. Yeah, that's actually a really good thing. And these things are like flip. Flip all the time. But, so yeah, anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.